En dernier rien, je glisse gentiment. Je glisse gentiment.
What's up? What's up? Just sitting here on a nice Friday afternoon. Didn't have to go into the normal job, so I have a door pod to play with. Been busy doing other projects, so I appreciate my man's KJ just, bearing with me a little bit here. So, finally able to get to him the way I want to. And right now, what I'm doing is cleaning off the spit I applied. Yeah, it's a lot of spit, ain't it? Yeah, the spit contains alcohol and water. I call it spit. It's just a car installer thing. You want to clean your surface real good before you start playing around with it. And of course, to resin this up, I like to use 3M tape or just something really good to lay over so that the fiberglass doesn't stick to the door itself. Now, here, Fosgate 6/2, Fosgate 6/2, 2 tweets, that's super. Alright, I know I'm saying it backwards. I want to be different. I don't know if I'm going to do rings or if I'm going to do a flat pod yet. I could do a flat pod because this door looks really sleek and I kind of want to keep it a sleek look, but at the same time, I want to kind of angle them up a little bit, just a tad, just give it a little bit of a pitch and bring this up. Just want to just bring it up so it's going to come up, over, stop, and then I want it to kind of curve outward, kind of dip down. And then the super tweeters will sit on here and here on my dip down so it kind of aim outward. So when you open the door, the tweeters will be aiming kind of out a little bit. And of course, this elevated, the sound should come to whoever's walking up to the car's face. When you open the door, I want the sound to hit your face. Or when you sit in the car, I want the sound to kind of come up and hit the driver in the head. Or the passenger in the head. I want to aim that sound. And we got some really nice goodies here that we're gonna put in it. We got some sky high wire, and we have a Fosgate Pro 6.5. Excuse me here, I want to be real careful with it because it is not mine. If I drop it, it's okay, but if I drop somebody else's stuff, I feel like poo. So, that's the look of it. We got the PPS 4-6. I'm looking forward to seeing how these sound. Little fatty mids. Yeah. Of course, nothing crazy, but something crazy. We got some McLaren Super Tweets going in. We're going to have 2 of them in each door with 2 6.5s in each door with it. And I'm looking forward to seeing how that's going to work out. Alright, so I got my game plan. Just move these pieces out the way so I can lay this one here. All the pieces that I'm going to add on. Put these down here too. So we can stay exactly where it is. That's fun. Yep. Cool beans. On to the next step. It's time to mix up some glass. Some resin. The way I mix is, I kind of try to take all of the science out of it. On the bottle it reads, I'm sorry I'm out of the view, but on the bottle it reads 1 ounce for 10 drops. An ounce is 29.9 something. It's 30 milliliters. Alright, in an ounce. Usually the household measuring cups are, you got a measuring cup that's 120 milliliters. Well, 30, 60, 90, 120. That's 4. You got 10 drops. 10 times 4 is 40 drops. What I do, I take my measuring cup, fill it with the water, give me a nice plastic container, whatever you're going to use to mix your resin in. Mix that water up, fill a measuring cup up, 120 milliliter measuring cup up with water. Pour it in. Remember, 120. Pour it in. And then you take a Sharpie and just mark the bottom of where the water sits. Pour the water out, wipe it clean. Now you got a perfect measuring. You add 40 drops to the resin that you fill to that height. 40 drops. And that's enough to, cover, our average projects for us base heads. I'm about to get my hardener right here. Got my hardener. Gonna poke a hole in it. I guess y'all can say, quit screwing around, huh? Alright. 40 drops. And it's crazy because that theory has to be right, because every single time I get done, I don't have, when I'm all out of resin, I'm all out of hardener. Never fails. I never have to go to the store to buy extra hardener or go to the store and get extra resin. I never have it left over. It's like a perfect measurement every time. Just remember 120 milliliters household cup, little household measuring cup, and then 40 drops. So basically you got 10 drops per ounce. And that's for this Bondo resin here. Time to have at it. What I want to do is interlock these pieces first. Throw a little ooze over it. Let it sit. Like I said, I try to be as neat as possible with this. And also as safe as possible. Remember that, y'all. Safety first. So remember to wear ear protection when you're doing this. That's all I'm going to say. Yes, that ear protection. Alright, so I'm gonna let this one dry while I head to the store to pick up some more resin, some more fiberglass. And don't have at it. So that's it. And then the coolest thing about the Sharpie trick, when I go to peel this off, the actual mark is gonna stay on there nice and dark just like that. So yeah. Y'all stay tuned. Lots more to come. Peace and bass.